Hey kids, today's project, or projects, is on the camper van. I'm just using my head to pull the bonnet down, make sure there's no tools inside it. Camper van mission continues. We've just fixed its latest breakdown. Video somewhere for that. But this thing needs to get solar panels so that we can charge up laptops and stuff while we're trackside or on tour. And so, Dave has here a set of roof rails, what I bought, for the princely sum of £80. It came with some roof rails, aluminium.
That looks like it'll fit on
They
there.
feel so cheap.
That might be a rubber thing.
Rubber feetsies on to protect my good paintwork.
That looks more like it. Yeah, that's what he's
And they will fit on the roof like that. And with 1, 2, 3 roof bars along the middle, or as many as we need. Sausage, what are you eating now? What is that? Is that cardboard? Cardboard. Yeah, so we'll get those 2 roof bars on there, and that allows us to put a solar panel down the middle. But this should be a fairly simple fit, because it's just 3 bolts basically. How hard can it be? Right, let's see what this cheap rubbish is like. Look at the cuts on that.
Yes, got a bit of a flashing in the mould.
I'm assuming that I tuck the top in and then the rest kind of folds down. Oh, it's got little rubber pins.
Locator dowels.
Looks like I've got a, okay, fancy.
Ah.
Right, get the other
And
one.
it kind of fit in several places.
Kinda.
Here we go.
Alright, that's 2. Where's the last one?
To the roof.
First thing I was going to do is pull myself up by the handle. I literally climbed the ladder and went, what?
Why no working?
Nothing working. Right, this looks very straightforward. It's going to be a case of removing said bolts. Make sure your ratchet is ratcheting the right way.
Yeah, tighten them up with the force of 30 men.
The magic tilty ratchet.
It's a bit windy up here.
Gusty.
I don't like it.
You can actually see up here where the previous owner
Oh,
obviously had a set of bars.
Yeah.
And like this one's actually like dented. There's indentations in
Oh, it's been good and tight.
in the steel there
Oh,
where
yeah.
it's pressed in.
It's been biting in.
So, but the first owners of this van were an Access at Heights company.
Oh, right, so it's probably had a really heavy roof rack.
They probably had all sorts of fireman's ladders and
I mean, you've got
yeah.
a real genuine rhino rack on top of it. Full steel job.
Right, I'm going to make the bold assumption that these will most... No, they're not going to fucking fit at all. I'm just going to have to jam them in. Look at that.
Yeah, that doesn't fit at all. That's...
Wait, hold on. Have I got them backwards?
No. Surely not, really? I'll turn it around then and see what happens.
Nah.
That's worse.
Yeah. So these are shite. They do not fit in there worth a fuck.
Nope, that definitely doesn't work.
I just think they're a pretty terrible fit.
How is that? That doesn't even fit in that space. At all. Even with that missing. I'm not an expert, but...
I mean, do we go full Dremel and just like cut it? Or do I fucking just clamp it down? Right, well, what we've discovered so far is that they must have 2 feet at the back.
Feet at the back. Yes.
Feet at the back. It's better for weight. The fitment is terrible.
Oh yeah. Yes. It doesn't actually slide into the...
This one is the same. It's going to lean on the left here.
Yeah.
And this back one, in order to fit that, we're going to have to just gently,
Also gently
bend
bend.
the aluminium so that it will go in the hole. Okay,
Oh.
hold that there. Forceps.
Forceps. Is this where you use your impact driver and drive them down as fast as hard as possible? No.
Tight to make them at this point.
Not very, boss. Has it not got the torque specs and the instructions?
It doesn't have instructions. Did you see instructions?
I haven't seen any
I
box.
didn't see any instructions.
Torque roof bolts down to
700 Newton meters.
20 psi. Right.
Yeah. torque the roof bars down to 4. 4 what? It won't matter, they're going to fall off anyway. The actual socket can't get down that hole. There's a hole cut in the aluminium for your socket to go down, and it won't go in the hole.
Wow.
Yeah, these are dreadful, David.
You're actually just supposed to use hand tools, not like hands like the L-shaped ones. That's how you're supposed to use.
Oh, like Allen key
yeah, Allen
ones.
keys, you're supposed to use them. Well,
I mean, it's
on, sort of.
in a diagonal fashion.
At what speed do you think the roof rails and solar panel will leave the camper at the same time? Only to be held on by the 2 cables on the solar
By the
panel.
power cables, that's the only thing that's going to keep it on.
Dangling along the back like that.
It's fine, it's fine.
Is it raining? No, surely not. Maybe a bird peed on me.
I think it's raining. Maybe I'm just getting old and starting to slaver when I talk.
Oh. Basically, once you can see the aluminium deforming under the bolt, that's when to stop.
The thing is that
They're pretty tight.
they're solid on there.
They're pretty tight, yeah.
It's just compressing the little rubber feet, so I think that's probably good enough.
Right, for the other side.
Yep.
Repeat for side B.
Or don't, or just give up now.
Take them back to shop.
Take them back to the shop.
Alright.
Just turn that round until you're satisfied that it's in the right place. There you go. Weight to the back. And then bolts. So that's a very panoramic sweeping shot you've got there, David.
So sweeping. So
That's
sharp.
beautiful. That's the kind of thing that you learn if you watch the YouTube Creator Studio channel. And it says, change your shot every 5 seconds to keep your viewers engaged. Make them so sick.
Spinning so much, there's a dog.
Oh yeah, animals as well. Animals is good for YouTube videos.
Not as good as boobs.
No, that's the thing. Boobs, like boobs in the thumbnail. Like even if there's no boobs in the video, you put boobs in the thumbnail.
Even if people know it's clickbait, they'll
still click it. I mean, could we literally put in a screenshot of some random boobs?
I don't know.
Like if we did this,
Yeah.
like can we now use part of that in the thumbnail? Or if I put it off to one side, like if I put it like here.
Watch this smoking hot girl install roof rails.
Yeah. The other side, it doesn't look bad. It's very lopsided.
I mean, it looks okay from over here.
So I can't imagine those roof bars will fit very well on there, because they, I imagine, require the roof
To be actually
rails to
parallel.
be perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
I think perpendicular.
Or both, I think will be actually.
Yeah. So I can't imagine this is going to work very well. So yeah, I'm going to fit these. Let's cut to the finished product. There we are. They're both fitted. In summary, these roof rails are rough as toast. I cannot recommend that anyone buy them. They were about £70 and came with 3 bars. So, well, do you know, I'm saying I can't recommend someone buy them. They are functioning aluminium roof bars. The fit is terrible, but they'll work. So if you don't really care, and you need just a set of functioning rails, fuck it, just buy them. Just buy them. There you go. They're only useful because they're so cheap.
Shy.
Don't buy a VW camper. The end.